Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we're learning about the letter Y. Our special Y words are yak, year, yoga, yellow, and yogurt. Our special guest words are chair and taster. This is a Y. It makes the sound ya. Try to say it with me. Ya. This is a yak. A yak is a shaggy, large animal. Yak. This is a year. 1 year is 365 days. Year. This is yoga. Yoga is a practice involving mental and physical exercises. Yoga. This is yellow. It's one of the primary colors. It's often used to portray happiness. Yellow. Yogurt is a creamy, nutritious food. Yogurt. Let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Is it yak, chair, year, yoga, yellow, or yogurt? What do you think? That's right, it's a chair. Chair does not have a y sound. Let's play again. Is the odd word out yak, toaster, year, yoga, yellow, or yogurt? That's right, it's the toaster. Great work. Now, remember our friend yak? Can you find the yak? Great job, you found the yak. Can you point to the year? Which word says year? Exactly, this is the year. Good job. Can you find the yoga instructor? Great, this is the yoga instructor. What about the yellow heart? Can you see the heart that is yellow? Good job. Now, can you find the yogurt? Which word says yogurt? Great work. This is the yogurt. Repeat after me one more time. Yak, year, yoga, yellow, yogurt. Great job, everybody. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I will see you on the next one.